Hey guys, it's me, Cookies, and today we got ourselves a little special bird guest. It's a blue jay fledgling. Look at him. See? Look. He's a small fledgling. I wanna somewhere else that I'm gonna go and search for. I'm lost. Oh, there he is. He's over there. Probably where he is. Yeah, there he is, over there. He just hopped twice. There's some birds everywhere, like birds everywhere. He put out some aid. Thistle. Some thistle seed to check the golden finches. Seeds to check more. Blue jays have been recently going around. And yet, we already have a family. Oh, he made a big noise. This is a ramp that some of my family members are building. Like, compare him to me, like, up here. I'm kind of like a gentle giant. I'm not gonna hurt him. Yes, I did bring my some of my Nerf busters outside. Yes, I did cover my beyond player strike. I like custom paint jobs. And I did very little to my good shot, except for I hate white, so I coated it gold. Fire down not much. And yes, I do want to practice. No, and that's where the magazine came from. And look at him. He's about as big as Skittles. Yes, he's about as big as him. He's very fluffy. I haven't touched him because I'm afraid he'll bite me. Because blue jays are feisty birds. Isn't that right, you little blue jay fledgling? I know it is. It's just wow. You're very cute. And there's the adult. And there's a live beetle over there. Oh, he made a noise. Pretty sure you heard that, right? He's so cute. Speaking of which, I'm outside in our front yard. Truck and car. Car's parked over there for a reason. Until this is finished, one of our family members has to go out the back door. And there's a few birds up there. Yeah. There's a horse. It's usually two, but that's the white one. My sister named it Marshmallow. Calls that one Marshmallow. Hey, little fledgling. Okay, there's a bird in the road. Flew out of the way just in time. I just looked at the road and just seen like a bird in the road. Oh, look at him. He's actually hopping it down. Yeah, and there's a dove. What a surprise. We got doves in the yard now. Doves in the landing in the yard. But they don't seem to land on the feeders. Plus. He's a tree hopping now, fella. And yes, that is a dove. Yep, he's fine. I'm going to meet this little fledgling now. This little fledgling. Look at him. This one has a little bit more blue on his feathers. I'm gonna go around to the front. Sorry, that's our neighbor's bird. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. They're so cute. I've seen both of them. One's over here. He's a tree hopper. He's not right, little guy. Aww. And the one over here, he's just staying still, being kind of scared to get you down. Now he's over there. Thank you all guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.